everyone. This week is World Antimicrobial Awareness Week. This is a WHO initiative, and we are here to spread awareness about the growing problem of antimicrobial resistance. Today, we are joined by Dr. Sylvia Moskwa, who works at the Microbiology Department at the Medical University of Łódź. Let's go ahead and ask her some questions. Hello, Dr. Moskwa.
Hello.
What is the issue of antimicrobial resistance?
The problem is the emergence of the resistance, which is now common all over the world, including Poland.
And why should we care about this issue?
We should care because potentially each and every one of us can become infected with a strain of bacteria that is resistant to a lot of different drugs, or even almost all of them.
I understand. And can you tell us why antimicrobial resistance is increasing?
We are to blame. We are to blame as patients, but also medical health professionals, medical doctors are to blame because we are misusing, we are overusing antibiotics and chemotherapeutics, so it's on us.
I understand. And what steps can we take to prevent the growing rise of the problem?
We should stop what we are doing now. So we should stop misusing, overusing these drugs. We shouldn't administer antibiotics when we are treating viral infections. We should use properly all kinds of therapy that we have. So empiric, target, de-escalation therapy. My advice for the students who will become future doctors, contact your laboratory, microbiology laboratory. Contact them because they will help you with this problem. They will advise you which drugs to use.
I understand. And finally, do we have hope to combat this issue for the future? What do you think, Dr. Moskwa?
Only if we will be better. Only if we will really try to use antibiotics that we have on our disposal properly.
Yes.
In other words, we will not fight this bacteria. They want to infect us, pathogenic bacteria. They want to infect us, and they will do everything in order to do that. So in this fight, we have antibiotics, chemotherapeutics, antimicrobial agents, and only if we will use them properly, bacteria will not acquire resistance to the new drugs so quickly.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Moskwa, for your valuable input. And I hope you all understand the important issue of antimicrobial resistance. This is a problem that we should solve together, and as Dr. Moskwa has advised us, we should act now before it's too late.